Silent, please.
On behalf of Group 5, this is Rafiqur Rahman. I welcome you all to our presentation. And it is on renovation of Teachers' Lounge at Government Teachers Training College, Jashore, Bangladesh. We, the group members, are I am Rafiqur Rahman, and here are other members, Dr. N.D. Rokamuzzaman, Mohammad Monirul Islam, please raise your hand, Mohammad Afzal Hussain, and Mohammad Habibur Rahman. This slide shows our project banner, and it was hanged near to the Teachers' Lounge of Teachers Training College, Jashore during Project Radio, including budget. In connection to this slide, I'd like to add something as introduction. We all know that Teachers' Lounge is a place where teachers sit together, meet together, discuss on education-related matters, and sometimes some students come to them with some academical difficulties to solve. So it's an important component to any educational institutions. And it also impacts on the relationship between student and teacher, professional relationships between professional relationships among the teachers, and overall the TL process, I mean teaching learning process. But unfortunately, the previous scenario of Teachers' Lounge of Teachers Training College, Jashore was not satisfactory for many reasons. That's why we, the group members, have decided to undertake a project on this issue. Now, objectives. We have included 4 objectives here to find out whether there is necessary to enhancing the effectiveness of Teachers' Lounge. Number 2, to determine the reasons of irregular presence of teachers in the tier. Number 3, to renovate the existing tier to make it effective. Number 4, to observe the effectiveness of the tier after its renovation. Rationale. To justify our project, we have included our rationality here to improve teachers' presence at tier, which is our main focus in this project. Next, relationship between teachers and student, professional relationships among the teachers, administrative staff, and teaching learning process. Now, methodology. Details are given into our project report. In short, we can say here, first sample of the study. We have 2 respondent group here. Group 1 included 20 teachers of Teachers Training College, Jashore. Group 2, management. 1 principal and 1 vice principal of that college. The instrument were questionnaire and observation. I repeat, questionnaire and observation. Next, schedule or Gantt chart. For execution plus data collection, for first phase, we have taken September to October 2019. Then for data collection, in second phase plus evaluation, we have taken November 2019. Finally, for reporting and presentation, we have taken December 2019. Next, data collection procedure. We have used both primary and secondary sources for our project work. Data were pulled, processed, and analyzed. Next, roles and responsibilities. We have decided our Vice Principal Sir as project manager for this project. Under him, we, the 5 members of this group, have taken some responsibilities to do our job. As me, Rafiq, I was responsible for communication channel, Mr. Moni for finance and accounts, Mr. Afzal for procurement, Mr. Rokon and Habib for installation and supervision, and all the members of Group 5 were responsible only for project paper working. Next, findings. Here, I would like to say one thing which I didn't mention earlier. That is, we have surveyed in 2 phases. First phase, before renovation of the teachers' lounge, and second phase, after renovation of the teachers' lounge. First phase, before renovation. In case of reasons of irregular presence at TL, major portion, 27% out of 100% respondent group stated that the teachers' lounge was uncomfortable. 15% of them said that it was unsuitable and the seating arrangement was not good. 18% of them said it was not attractive. Other reasons for irregular presence were absence of refreshment corner, inadequate internet access, noisy environment, irregular support service, etc. For these reasons, teachers of Teachers Training College Joshua are not willing to come regular in the TL. As well, they are not available at TL. Next, education. Here we can see some images on our education work. Here we can see some installation like AC, personal file cabinets, new curtains for our renovative work, including new nameplate, teachers' lounge. You can see here. Finally, after renovation, we have arranged, we, the group members of Group 5, have arranged an inaugural ceremony to open the renovated teachers' lounge or new teachers' lounge for that college. And our principal, Professor Dr. Mohammad Jainal Abidin Khan sir, inaugurated this lounge, and we all, the teachers of that college, were present on that occasion. It was a fantastic moment for us. Findings after renovation, that is second phase. In case of reasons for regular presence at TL, major portion, 20% of the respondent group stated that now they feel comfortable with the renovated TL, which was our expectation. 18% of them said that yes, now it is attractive. 15% of them now telling that it is suitable and seating arrangement is good. Other reasons for their regular presence at TL are provision of refreshment corner, which was not available at that time, and it is now noise-free environment. Next, risk analysis. Risk identification, attitude of the teachers, funding and maintenance. It was risk identification. Regular support service was the risk prevention. Risk management. To mention risk management, we identified motivation of the teachers, funding by the principal, and maintenance the teachers' council by the teachers' council. And finally, monitoring. We suggested that teachers' council will monitor the teachers' allowance by its own staff. Next, recommendations. We have made some recommendations to the authority of Teachers Training College, Jashore, for their consideration to enhance this project. Can I say? Continue? Okay. Thank you.
Please continue.
Number one, separate decks for each teacher could be installed. Number two, a food zone including refrigerator and oven should be introduced. Number three, provision of relevant newspaper, journal, periodic, etc. should be kept at TL on regular basis. Number four, provision of pure drinking water should be ensured. 5, desktop computer with printer should be given emphasis. Number 6, academic discussion session among the teachers be arranged quarterly. 7, some indoor games in the refreshment corner attached to the TL could be introduced. Finally, we thank you all.